Have you ever wondered how we ensure the precision and accuracy of our welded structures? It's not just about the weld itself, but also the strict dimensional tests we perform to guarantee top-notch quality.
Dimensional tests. I've heard about them, but I'm not entirely sure what they entail. Can you elaborate?
Dimensional tests are a crucial part of the welding process, especially in industries like aerospace, automotive, and construction, where even the slightest deviation from specifications can have severe consequences.
I see. So these tests help verify that the welded components meet the required dimensions and tolerances.
Exactly. There are various types of dimensional tests. For instance, we might use calipers or micrometers to measure the thickness, width, or length of a welded joint.
It must take a lot of skill and experience to interpret the results accurately.
That's why our team undergoes rigorous training and certification processes. We need to be able to identify even the slightest deviations from specifications and determine whether they're within acceptable tolerances or require rework.